Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order and pay inside the Shop app. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download the Shop app on your mobile device. And then once you've done that, open it up and make sure to sign up or log in. As you can see, I'm logged in at the bottom right hand corner of my screen. Tutorial is. And now from here, I'm going to click on the home button. And now I can either search for items inside the Shop app, or I can just browse popular products, etc. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to order a random product. So I might order this jumper here for $85. So it's a Jordan Kids Flight MVP fleece pullover hoodie. So now I want to buy this. So now I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to choose the correct size, the quantity. I only want one of these, and then I'm going to click on buy now. If I want to order multiple items, I can add to cart and then find another product, add that to cart, and then click on buy now. But I'm just going to buy this one product. I'm going to tap on the buy now button. So now from here, I need to add a phone number. So I'm going to add my phone number and click on to next, and I'll see it at the next section. And then once you've done that, you want to add in your shipping address. So go ahead and add your shipping address. I'm just going to put a random address in here, like so. And now you want to put in your first name, last name, apartment, and then continue to payment details, like so. Continue to payment details. And now put in your card number, expiry name on card. Make sure the billing address is the same as shipping, and then click on continue to review, and then your order will be placed using the Shop app on your mobile device. Hope this video helped you guys.